Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to completely transform your English speaking skills? Have you ever felt stuck? Like you understand English perfectly, but when you try to speak, the words just don't come out right? You're not alone, and I have a secret weapon for you that's going to change everything. It's called shadowing, and it's one of the most powerful techniques to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. So I'm launching a 5-day English shadowing challenge, starting right now. For the next 5 days, we are going to dive deep into this method, and you will see a remarkable improvement in your speaking. Are you in? Let's get started with day 1. Today, we're focusing on something we all do, our daily routine. This is perfect because the vocabulary is practical and you can use it immediately. The goal of shadowing isn't just to mimic my words, but to copy my intonation, my rhythm, and the way the words connect together. It's like singing along to a song, but for speaking. Ready? Here's how it will work. I will say a sentence, then I'll pause. During that pause, you will repeat the sentence out loud, exactly as you heard it. Try to match my speed and tone. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. The key is consistent practice. We will go through 30 sentences about a typical daily routine. Let's begin. Sentence 1. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Sentence 2. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Sentence 3. I stretch my arms and legs before getting out of bed. Sentence 4. I head straight to the bathroom to freshen up. Sentence 5. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes, just like the dentist recommends. Sentence 6. After that, I wash my face with cold water to feel more awake. Sentence 7. I usually skip a big breakfast, but I always make coffee. Sentence 8. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the kitchen. Sentence 9. I check my emails and messages on my phone while sipping my drink. Sentence 10. I need to get dressed for work, so I pick out my outfit. Great job on the first 10. How does it feel? A little fast? Remember, you can always pause the video and repeat a sentence a few times until it feels natural. Let's continue with the next set. Sentence 11. I commute to work by subway, which is usually quite crowded. Sentence 12. I put on my headphones and listen to a podcast during the ride. Sentence 13. My workday officially begins at 9 o'clock. Sentence 14. I spend most of my morning in meetings and responding to urgent tasks. Sentence 15. Around 1 o'clock, I take a lunch break and grab a sandwich. Sentence 16. I prefer to eat at my desk while catching up on news. Sentence 17. The afternoon tends to be more focused on project work. Sentence 18. I collaborate with my colleagues to solve complex problems. Sentence 19. I always take a short break around 3 p.m. to re-energize. Sentence 20. I make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You are doing fantastic. We're 2/3 of the way through. Notice how some words link together, like head straight or pick out. This is called connected speech, and shadowing is the best way to master it. Let's tackle the final 10 sentences, focusing on the evening part of the routine. Sentence 21. I clock out at 5:30 p.m. and head back home. Sentence 22. On my way home, I sometimes stop by the grocery store. Sentence 23. I need to pick up a few ingredients for dinner. Sentence 24. I enjoy cooking. It helps me unwind after a long day. Sentence 25. Tonight I'm preparing a simple pasta dish. Sentence 26. After dinner I tidy up the kitchen and do the dishes. Sentence 27. I like to relax on the couch and watch a series on Netflix. Sentence 28. Before going to sleep, I read a chapter of my book. Sentence 29. This helps me disconnect from screens and calm my mind. Sentence 30. I usually try to get to bed by 11 p.m. to ensure I get enough rest. Amazing work! You've just completed day 1 of our 5-day shadowing challenge. You shadowed 30 sentences, and in the process, you practiced pronunciation, rhythm, and new vocabulary like aroma, commute, and unwind. The key now is repetition. Come back to this video and practice these sentences again. The more you do it, the more automatic it will become. This is just the beginning. Tomorrow on day 2, we will tackle a new theme with a new set of sentences to expand your vocabulary even further. Are you ready to continue this journey and see a real, tangible improvement in your spoken English? Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss day 2. Let's do this together. Thanks for practicing with me, and I'll see you tomorrow.